Hello everyone. Today I'm unboxing the F4U Corsair Phoenix. This is the size 0.46 to 0.52. I'm using a glow engine on it. I bought this because I broke the wing of my previous Corsair. Only the wing was broken, so I decided to go for the whole thing because also I wanted to start building balsa planes. This is my first build. Previously, all the other ones I used to buy, they were already built. So once you open the box, you will find a few things, including the manual in black and white. You will notice that the box are done very reasonably from the point of view of packaging. So you need to take care during the handling and during and maybe you can request this from the company. I'm just waiting for someone to give me the scissors to open the manual and have a look at it. Everything in the box is done using tape, so you need a scissor with you when you're opening it. As you'll see, you will find that the manual is in black and white. I have went through the manual. I found it simple to follow all the steps. Of course, as a new in the hobby or new in building, depending on your situation, um, you can follow the steps, of course, but there will be some tricks and there will be some adjustments needed from time to time. But for sure, it is like a learning process. So as you can see, there is pictures. But all the steps are having pictures. Then now we'll move to the first item. So I'm trying to open first thing the wings. Actually, I broke my right wing, so I will open now everything in the box. But I'm here trying to start with the right wing. Again, I think I will need to use the scissors, but I was replacing the scissor because this one was not a good scissor. Now, here we go. Okay, first thing, I think this is the horizontal stabilizer. The good thing about this F4U from Phoenix, it is having the new color code or the color theme, which is really interesting. So this is the back side of the stabilizer, and this is the upper side. It really look nice, and compared to the old one, it's something new. It is also matte. The whole cover is matte finish compared to the glossy finish of the older version. The connections, the hinges are already installed, but it will need gluing. Okay, now we'll open the first wing. You need to have a scissor with you because a lot of tapes here and there. I'll start by I think this is the left wing. The packaging, as I mentioned, it is like covering the items in plastic and nylon bags, and this kind of spongy cover, but not very safe for handling. So you need to take care when you're moving this box. Here we go. This is the new theme, and as you can see, this is matte finish. It is different than the older one, which is the monocoat. The design of the wings actually are the same, exactly the same. A little bit of change only. There is kind of small difference. I will show it. I'll mention it when it comes. But I was able to fix the older, the newer wing on the older version of the fuselage. Now I'm opening the right wing. So the main difference between the older wings and the new wings, there is a kind of plastic pin coming out of the new wings. This is the back of the wing, and of course this is the door for the servo covers. Also we need to cut for the landing gear. So I'm putting them here next to each other. You will see that there is a plastic pin coming out of the new version of the wing compared to a wooden rectangular piece, but this is like rounded plastic. It will be down, you will see it at the base of the wing. Here it is. But totally compatible with the old fuselage if you would like to only buy the new wings. Here is a side view for both of them. Also, this is like paper hinged, so the hinges will need to be glued. Now let's open and let's see what is that. Okay, this is the servos. I have ordered the servos for the project here for the wings. This is the high-tech ones. They are the I think they are not the high end, but they are around 25 or $20 each. Trying here to get a few items from the bottom of the box, but everything is taped. So here we go. This is the housing for the landing gear. This will need to be cut and glued using maybe epoxy. After making the right openings on the wings, on both wings, you need to cut the cover and insert this housing. I'm trying to get anything, but everything is like taped, strongly taped, so scissor is helping here. And this is the cover for the engine. Of course, this can be adjusted to to make some air coming inside. And here we go with the cowl. Yes, the new color of the cowl is really amazing. It is also matte finish, and you will see that it is made from fiberglass. Few things are found inside it, so we'll take one by one now. So it's fiberglass, good quality. Matte finish, as I mentioned. Then this is the engine mount. There's like I think 3 kind of designs for the engine mount. To me they look the same actually, but they should be different ones. I tried to find the different model names on this. Sorry, I mean this is the design. This is for is used for marking the engine mount and for screwing. And this is here the engine mount. It comes with all the accessory screwdrivers. This part goes into the front of the wings. Excuse me. This is the no. This is the door. This is the doors for the landing gear. Need to be screwed also on the landing gear. So I want this like the landing gear is closed. This will be the doors for it. Okay. And now we'll move to the fuselage. As you can see in the on the box side, this is the spars and also the push rods. So there's also another cover, the sponge cover. It's kind of sponge sheet actually, and I'm here trying to uncover it in a nice way as possible. Here we go. So this is the fuselage. The new theme is really amazing. The matte finish is lovely, and it seems that it is more strong, or can handle more of the maybe the weather, I think, compared to the mono coat. And this is the hatch opened, big one actually, and a lot of space there inside to work comfortably. Of course, you can use some epoxy here and there to strengthen any weak points. Inside also you will see that there is the tubes for the push rods, and you will need to make an opening at the back of the fuselage for the elevator and rudder. This is the firewall, also from wood. The weight of the airplane is really light. This is the spare. This is the place for the spars. I've been having the same airplane actually, the older version, and it was flying amazingly. But the thing with the older version, that it comes without retracts, so you need to have different, like separate servos for it, low profile servos. The new one, the new version is having the retracts coming with it, which now I think we'll see now in the video. Okay, so now we're moving to the retracts part. First, actually, we're going to open this package. It includes a lot of items. It includes the wheels, of course. I can see the wheels, the fuel tank. From my point of view, the older version wheels were, I think, better. There's like the Dobro style. They are from sponge and strong. The landing gear for the new ones are also very strong, maybe more strong than the older version, but the wheels are more into the plastic side, like soft plastic, a little bit rubbery, but not like the older version. The older version are really nice, as you can see. Very good quality, excellent for takeoffs and landing in like roads. I mean, in the like asphalt road or on the grass. And this is the tank, a fuel tank, and its tubes. This is the I think this is the mount for the engine mount. This is like the radar or the aerial for the airplane. Some cosmetics. Now I think we'll move to the retracts. I have tried Retracts. It comes with a small device. This you'll see it now. It's like a red color. This device is very good for reversing the retracts because you need to have one of the retracts reversed so they can open it in the same time and close at the same time. So I'm opening here the electric retracts, and let's see how it would look like. It's from brushed aluminum actually, and very strong with springs. The retracts for left and right are different, but there's nothing written on the box or on the cover even, so you need to figure it out. Be careful when you are opening this retracts because there is also wires, which are the servo wires. Very good quality, high quality, and very strong with sponge. I mean with spring. And totally adjustable. You will find a lot of screws here to adjust the alignment and a few other things. The leads, the servo leads are length are very good. They will be enough to get it from the retracts point to the main wings for connection to the receiver. And here I'm showing the older retracts, which I really liked, but it requires a separate servo, as I mentioned. And this is the device which comes with the retracts to operate it. And be careful that this will need a power source from 4 to 6 volts, not more than that. So you need to connect it through the receiver first. You will find here one lead. This lead will be connected to the receiver, and you will find 3 slots, two for the main gears and one for the nose gear in case it is applicable. So I think this concludes the unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.